What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Embarrassment from Inside Out 2. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center page, draw a large oval for the nose. We're going to start at the very top in the middle. We're going to start with the left side. Going all the way around. Come down and in towards the center. Now I'm going to work our way around the right side. Going all the way around. And just close off the top. Now along the top of the nose, we're going to leave a small gap and draw two small circles for the eyes. So we'll start with the one on the left. Go all the way around, and then back in. Let's line this up on the right side. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top of each eye. And I'll trace the eye along the inside going in behind the highlight for the pupils. And I'll fill the pupils in black. Now let's surround the eyes with an oval. We're going to start from the inside of the left eye, going up toward the top, come down the side, and then tuck that in towards the nose. Go up on the right side, go around, and then tuck that in. Now you want to wrap the hood around the face. So from the side of the nose, let's draw two straight angle lines, going up around the eye toward the top. Let's go back to the left side. We're just going to round this out, going up and then bend that down. Let's tuck the hair in underneath the hood. Starting on the left, bend this in and then up. Step down, draw another curve going up. Bend this down towards the right eye. Go up and bend this down and then out. Now in this little gap, we're just going to draw the eyebrow coming down and then out. Let's add a thick fold along the top of the hood. We're going to start from the side of the head. We go up. It's going to follow that curve going up towards the top. Round this out. And then come down on the right. From the bottom of the nose in the center, we're going to add the zipper. Start with two straight angle lines coming down and out. Going to round out the bottom. And then add a small oval in the center. Let's add a fold across the bottom, starting from the left side of the zipper, going around the nose, and then going to bend that up towards the side. Now along the side of the zipper, we're going to draw two straight lines on either side of the drawstrings, coming down to right about there. And we're going to overlap the bottom with a curve with the edge of the hand. From the inside, we're going to step up, draw the first finger, going around and then out. Let's add another finger, coming down and out. And then from the outside of the drawstring, we're going to draw the thumb, going up and then down towards the wrist. Let's round out the palm, come down, add that third finger, tucking that up underneath. And then from the outside of the thumb, let's draw the forearm. We're going to bend this up and then down on the side. Now we're going to go back up the top, draw the side of the head, merging in towards the bottom of the arm. Let's start from the top left side, bend this out, and then down. Let's line that up on the right side, coming down towards the same height. Now from here, we're going to bend this out around the elbow, come down and in. And we're just going to bend this up towards the bottom of the hand, coming down and then up. Let's add a seam across the wrist. Start from the thumb, going around and then in towards the bottom. Now along the top of the forearm, we're just going to draw the jawline, bend this out and then up towards the side. Let's go underneath the arms, draw a curve. Coming down across the bottom of the body, and then back up. Now in between the bottom two fingers, draw a straight line going across the top of the pocket, and then in the middle, we'll draw two lines coming down the side of the zipper. Along the bottom of the body, we'll step up, add another curve, the bottom of the pocket, bend this in and then up underneath the hands. Now we're going to go back to the center, draw a straight line splitting the legs, going down toward the heel, and then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, starting with the left side, going down and up, go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Now I want to go back to the left side and draw the top of the foot with a half circle going up and then down in the middle. And then from the outside of the body, I'm just going to bend the legs, going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's place the laces across the top. We'll start with a curve, going in the middle. And then on the ends, we're just going to bend this up towards the top of the foot. Now I'm going to add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. So we want to take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Embarrassment from Inside Out 2. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.